There is a belief leads to the future. There is a quality brings the confidence. In Shenzhen, China, in vigorous post-press machinery industry, an excellent international brand catches world's attention. Yi Machinery is a mature enterprise which owns more than 30 years of Taiwan experience. The company have a full experienced development, manufacturing and marketing sales team. In the film lamination, UV varnishing, coating, calendaring, fluid laminating fields, we have created our own unique brand and technology and been a benchmark of the industry. Using 30 years experience to make state-of-the-art machinery. Product sales and after-sales service have expanded to mainland China and overseas. Let the well-known brand brings up the revolution. In 2014, Sunrise Machinery Enterprise has established sustainable development, leading the trend of industry and use the leading-edge technology to create core strengths. The company provides new energy for the future development of a post-press industry. Innovation, excellence, and sustainability. Synchronized with international advanced technology. Yi Sunrise. Your most reliable post-press machinery expert and willing to create a brilliant future with you. Together, we make it happen.